Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Quiz is Fun.
Welcome to the funniest Christmas quiz ever. You will see some funny Christmas questions that will appear on the screen. Let's see how many you can get right in just 10 seconds.
Have you subscribed my channel yet friends? So before watching, please subscribe my channel. So let's get started.
Who delivers gifts on Christmas night? Santa Claus. What color is Santa's suit? Red. What animal pulls Santa's sleigh? Reindeer. What is the name of the period leading up to Christmas? Advent. What do you decorate at Christmas? Christmas tree. What do snowmen wear on their head? Ice cap. Who helps Santa make gifts? Elves. Which country started the tradition of putting up a Christmas tree? Germany. What is Santa Claus also known as? Saint Nicholas. How many reindeer does Santa have? Do you have any idea? It's 9. What is Frosty the Snowman's nose made of? Button. What is the name of the holiday celebrated on 26th December? Boxing Day. Which reindeer is known as the fastest? This is the correct answer. You are right. How does Santa enter homes to deliver gifts? Through the chimney. Which reindeer shares a name with a holiday symbol? Cupid. Which reindeer's name starts with a letter B? This is the Blitzen. What do children leave for Santa's reindeer? The answer is carrots. What Christmas drink is made with milk, sugar and eggs? It's eggnog. Which country started the tradition of leaving shoes out for gifts? Netherlands. What do you pull at the Christmas dinner table in the UK? Christmas crackers. What type of calendar is used to count down to Christmas? Advent calendar. What is the traditional pie eaten in the UK at Christmas? It's the mince pie. What cake is eaten in Italy at Christmas? This is the correct answer. You are great. Good job. Which country decorates banana trees for Christmas? It's India. This is the last question. Where is Christmas Island? Indian Ocean. Thanks for watching and please do not forget to like and subscribe.